Get ready to discover why goats are the hidden gems of the dairy world. From their playful nature to the creamy goat milk and flavorful cheese they provide, these animals are full of surprises. How are goats raised? And what goes into transforming their milk into delicious cheese? Join us on an enchanting journey from lively pastures to mouth-watering culinary delights. Goats were among the first domesticated animals, with their domestication beginning around 10,000 BC in the Middle East, marking the shift from hunting to agriculture. They spread across continents, playing key cultural and economic roles. In Africa, goats supported nomadic tribes. In Europe, they became staple farm animals, and in Asia, they were valued for milk, meat, and religious purposes. There are over 300 recognized goat breeds globally. Famous breeds include the Saanen for milk, Boer for meat, Cashmere for wool, and Alpine for high-altitude dairy. Goat milk is easier to digest than cow's milk, and goat meat is highly nutritious. Goat cheese is a creamy, tangy dairy product made from goat's milk, known for its smooth texture and unique flavor. Goats thrive in environments that allow them to roam freely. Farmers often practice rotational grazing, moving the herd between different sections of land to ensure fresh grass and reduce environmental impact. Goats need a dry, well-ventilated shelter to stay healthy. Farmers build sturdy barns or sheds with soft straw bedding for comfort and proper spacing for air circulation, keeping them safe in all weather. Raising goats for milk begins with providing the best care from the moment they are born. Female goats, or does, typically give birth to 1 to 3 kids per litter. Farmers closely monitor the birthing process to ensure the health of both the mother and her kids. Newborns are kept in clean, separate pens to prevent the spread of disease and ensure their safety and proper growth. Newborn goats depend on their mother's milk for nutrients and immunity. Farmers use automatic feeders to ensure consistent, measured milk portions for healthy growth. Goats are natural browsers, enjoying a diet of grass, shrubs, leaves, and weeds. On farms, their meals are carefully managed with fresh pasture, hay, grains like oats and corn, and essential supplements. Regular health care is essential for raising strong and productive goats. Farmers vaccinate goats to protect them from common diseases and ensure herd immunity. Hoof trimming is also crucial, as overgrown hooves can lead to discomfort and mobility issues. Milking goats is a hygienic process. Farmers clean the udders to keep the milk pure, then milk the goats by hand or with modern machines. Milking happens twice a day. While being milked, goats can also be fed to keep them calm and comfortable. A healthy dairy goat can produce 2 to 5 liters of milk daily, depending on the breed and lactation stage. Goat milk is rich in nutrients and is used to make products like cheese and yogurt. Once the milk is collected, it's carefully transported to the factory where the magic of cheese making begins. The milk is filtered, pasteurized at 72 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds, and quickly cooled to remove impurities and kill harmful bacteria while preserving its natural flavor. Once the milk is ready, it's time to add cheese cultures and rennet. The cultures introduce beneficial bacteria, which improve the flavor and texture of the cheese. Rennet, a natural enzyme, helps coagulate the milk, turning it into a gel-like consistency. The mixture is then gently stirred and left to rest for a few hours, allowing the milk to separate into curds, the solid part, and whey, the liquid. The curds are cut into smaller pieces to help release more whey. Then, the whey is drained off, leaving the curds behind. Next, the curds are pressed to remove any remaining whey and to shape the cheese. Salt enhances flavor and preserves the cheese, with herbs, garlic, or spices added for unique flavors. Some goat cheeses are eaten fresh, while others are aged for a richer flavor, which can take from a few days to several months. The cheese is cut into smaller pieces and carefully inspected for quality before being packaged. The cheese is typically wrapped in wax, plastic, or vacuum-sealed packaging to protect it from air and moisture. After packaging, it is stored in refrigerated conditions to maintain its ideal temperature and prevent spoilage. The goat cheese is then distributed to various retailers, grocery stores, or directly to customers. Goat milk and its products, like cheese and yogurt, are not only delicious, but also packed with essential nutrients, making them a healthy choice for many.